Alright, in the previous video I looked at y equals mx plus b. Now I need to show you how to use it. Now, the first thing you need to know or remember is that if a line is sloped that way, it's positive. If a line is sloped that way, it's negative. The gradient is the slope of the line, or rise on run. Now, if I was to draw that in a triangle, it would be rise, the y, on run. Okay, we'll just come up the top here. That's all right. Okay, when I'm graphing it, I only need 2 points to graph a line, and I join them. Happy days, I've got a line. The 2 points I get firstly by the y-intercept. So that's the very first thing you do, y-intercept. So I'll do that 3 times. The y-intercept is on this line and it's at -1. There's my first. Oops, it doesn't like points. There's my first. In this one, it's at 2. Happy days, found it. In this one, because it's got no number on its own, it's actually +0, so it cuts here. So we've found 1 point in each of the graphs. We get the second from the gradient, and we say that 3 is 3 on 1, which means rise 3, run 1, because gradients rise on run. Now, rise where, run where? From the point you already had. So I go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and across 1. And there's my second point, and I join them, and you would use a ruler, and I have a straight line. I'll do it again. -4 is -4 on 1. So we rise and run. So we go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and across 1. And there's my second line. Notice the gradient's negative, so it goes that way, which we said up here it would go negative. Let's have a look at this third one. Rise 1. It's actually easier because they've given us 1 on 4, and run 4. So we run, rise 1, and run 4. And there, oops, pretend it goes through there, and there's my straight line. It's really important you know how to do this, so we'll be going over it a couple of times.